If you've ever wondered what it's like to stay at the Mall of America, I am about to show you. I spent 4 nights at the Radisson Blu at the Mall of America in Bloomington, Minnesota, and I'm going to show you everything that you need to know and exactly what it is like. So we are first going to start with an overlook of the lobby in the hotel. Then you turn to the left and you start walking down this hallway. At the end of this hallway is going to be the Mall of America. So after you go down these steps, there's a ramp to the left side as well. You're getting closer. Right here on the left is going to be a Mall of America merchandise store. So technically you're really in the mall at this point. There's a lovely sign, and then, yep, you start shopping. One of the great things is the Radisson Blu is actually on all the directional signs, which is really great when you have no idea where you are in the mall. So this is the hotel lit up at night. It is very blue, very modern, very trendy feeling. Completely different than the JW Marriott, which is located on the other side of the Mall of America. Those are the two hotels attached to the mall. So this is the little lobby area. They got these little pods. The fireplace is very nice, especially against the bright blue lights. I will show you what it looks like during the day at the end of the video in case you are wondering. Now, you are going to be taking the escalators up from the lobby, and then right in front of you is going to be this large kind of common area. People are here all day long. This is a surprisingly very popular area, especially after the mall closes. And this is the view coming out of the guest elevators. Again, that large common area. And then on your right-hand side with that red wall, that is going to be the entrance to Fire Lake. And these are some of the entrees I had in the bar. This is the charcuterie board, which was absolutely amazing with a lot of things that are sourced locally. This was the Loon cocktail, which is grapefruit flavored, and then the fried cheese curds are amazing with house-made ranch dressing. Highly recommend those. This is the wild rice and mushroom soup, along with another cocktail known as Swedish Passing, also really great. These are the dirty fries. They had cheese curds on them. I added some prime rib, also really amazing. So this is a detailed look of the bar area of Fire Lake. It is really huge, very popular most of the time. I got here right when it opened. And then this is the sit-down restaurant. Again, very popular, but serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Now let's take a room tour. This is room 622. I was really pleased with this king-size bedroom. I thought it was quiet. I really enjoyed the time here. The headboard has these pictures of things that Minneapolis and the area are famous for. Out the window, the view is not great. I'll let you know. I checked in at night, so I'm going to insert some footage of what it looks like during the day, just overlooking rooftops. But that's not why you're here. You're here to go shopping. This area is about 4 miles from the airport. I didn't notice too much airport noise. It was kind of muffled. There is free Wi-Fi, but I stayed on my data plan the whole time, and it was super fast, all the bars, and it worked great. So you've got a little safe, a little refrigerator. They did restock the water every day when they came in and cleaned the room, which is much appreciated. Now I'm going to show you the closet area. Now keep in mind that there is a mirror on both doors. This is important to note because one of the big problems of this hotel is the design of the bathroom, which is right across from this. There is a large glass panel in the door to the bathroom, and while it is frosted, it does allow light out in the middle of the night, which then bounces back off those mirrored doors and into the room. So if you are with somebody that needs to use a bathroom in the middle of the night, you can expect a good portion of your room to be illuminated. It's going to be pretty bright. Another problem is that this is a problem in this bathroom. The mirror was broken. But another problem of their general bathroom design is that the switch to turn on the lights is outside in the hallway, outside of the bathroom. So there's no way to turn on the light for this bathroom without brightly illuminating most of the room in the middle of the night. Other than that, It was great with a comfortable bed and awesome pillows that weren't too small or too soft. This is going to be the indoor pool that they have. It's quite big. Right outside the pool, you'll find a CVS vending machine that has all kinds of toiletries and over-the-counter medications that you might need. And this is a quick look at what the workout room looks like. So that is Radisson Blu at Mall of America. I thought it was a great hotel. I really enjoyed my stay. I was super happy, especially with the bedding and the quietness of the room. I really was very happy with staying here at the Radisson Blu at Mall of America. I'd love to know your thoughts. Have you ever stayed here before? Because it seems like a lot of people come in, spend the night just for a day, and then do shopping. Is that something that you've done? Let me know in the comments below so you can help everybody else out that might be watching this video in anticipation of staying at the Mall of America.